Okay guys, so Laura's all done and we're about to see the final reveal. I'm kind of scared. Okay, let's go. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a little bit different. Today I'm going to be having my makeup done by a professional makeup artist. I've booked her, she's on her way, and I cannot wait. So the makeup artist I'm going to use is somebody that I've been following for quite some time on Instagram, and I absolutely love her work. Her work is very similar to how I would do my makeup, very clean, very simple, but yet like glam, if that makes sense. I basically told her she can do whatever she wants with my face, so I have no idea what look she's going to do, but yeah, let's wait and see. Her name is Laura, by the way. I forgot to say that her name's Laura. I'm gonna plug her Insta here so you guys can see all her work. It's amazing. And if you are looking for a makeup artist, maybe for a wedding or special occasion, obviously post lockdown, then definitely book her. In regards to COVID, we are both COVID free, so this appointment is safe. Yeah, let's get into it, guys. Okay guys, so Laura's here, she's setting up. So here she is, she's just setting
Hi,
up.
guys.
This is all her products, all laid out so beautifully. And we're gonna start soon. I'm so excited. Yeah, so how did you get into makeup?
So I've been watching YouTube since like primary school.
Primary school?
Like, yes.
How old are you?
I'm 22.
Oh, no wonder. I was thinking, what the I didn't have YouTube in primary school.
Like, I'd say like end of year 6, so like going into year 7.
Oh my god, imagine having YouTube in primary school. That would be so
I was
lit.
watching YouTube like in the days of Britpop Princess.
Yeah.
Ugly Face of Beauty.
Gosh, I was like 18, 19 then.
Yeah.
So guys, we were literally just chatting away. I completely forgot about the makeup. So I'm going to be explaining the steps with you guys. So as you guys saw earlier, Laura prepped my skin with some moisturizer and primer, and now she's going in with foundation. She actually brought my foundation shade, which is the NC50 Prolonged Wear Waterproof. This is the foundation that works for my skin tone. She just placed that all over with a brush and then went in to blend it with a sponge. Then she's going in with a concealer just to hide my dark circles, and then she's also going to blend that in with her brush. So to highlight, Laura goes in with a brighter concealer. This is to bring out the light in my face. She puts that under my eyes, on my forehead, on my chin, on my nose, and on the sides of my mouth as well. I don't normally put the concealer on the sides of my mouth, but I really like this technique. I think it's a really good technique to bring out my cheekbones, and it also helps like make the bronzer and the contour look a little bit stronger. So she's done that, and I'm just looking like a crazy tiger. Then she's going to blend it out with her brush and her sponge. She uses the brush first and then goes in with the sponge. And I do have to say, I don't know what brushes that Laura uses, but these brushes are so soft, and most importantly, they're clean. All her brushes were clean, washed, sanitized, which I love. So now Laura is going to contour my nose. She's going in on the bridge of my nose and then under my nose just to create some dimension, and then she's blending that out with her sponge as well. The sponge just gives a really, really nice soft finish, which I love. Once that's done, we're going to get some hydration back into my skin, and she sprays her setting spray just for some dewiness. Then she goes in with a lighter concealer just under my cheekbones to reverse contour. I personally don't do this technique, but I think it's very unique, and I think it works because it brings out your cheekbones just that little bit more. Then she goes in with another layer of concealer. I do this myself as well. I personally like my concealer under my eyes quite bright, so I do go in with 2 layers of concealer. I believe the concealer that she used was the Too Faced concealer, the Born This Way concealer, and that concealer is actually one of my favorites, so I love that. So skin is pretty much prepped and ready to go. The next step is to set. Unfortunately, I didn't get the setting process on camera, but I do know that she used the Huda Beauty setting powder in Kunafa. Then she goes in with her P. Louise eyeshadow base, which I never tried before, but I've heard amazing things. I do need to try it. And she uses that to prep my eyelids for the eyeshadow that she's going to apply in a sec. So pat, 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 set that in. Have you guys tried the P. Louise base? Let me know, because I really want to try it and I've heard really, really good things. So to prep my brows, she's going to brush them through and then she's going to start filling them in with a light brow pencil. I'm not sure exactly which pencil this is, but it looks very precise, and I personally love the way she did my eyebrows. The shape was on point. Literally, I'm watching this video trying to learn because the shape was so good. She's going with a concealer that she used under my eye just to carve out the eyebrows and to give them a little bit more definition. Then she's going to blend that down to the P. Louise base and also use that as a base for my eyeshadow. Once that's done, she's going to start with the eyeshadow process. So because obviously Laura knows that my makeup style is quite simple, she went for quite neutral, earthy tones, and she's using a mixture of the Too Faced palette as well as Juvia's Place palettes. And can I just say, I always knew that Juvia's Place had amazing makeup, but the pigment on these eyeshadows is insane. I don't know if you guys can see the pigment right now, but the pigment is so crazy. I need to get my hands on more Juvia's Place eyeshadows because this is just like wow. So she's used a minty green eyeshadow on my lids and then went in with a soft brown to line my lids as well. Then she's going to give my skin a little bit more hydration, and then she's going to prep my eyelashes with some mascara for my lashes, false lashes. Before she does that, she's just going to apply some eyeliner in my inner waterline. And of course, the pencil has been sanitized with rubbing alcohol, so I don't have to worry about coronavirus or any germs going in my eyes. So once that's done, it's time to bring some color back into my face. So she just adds some blush and bronzer on my cheeks. Again, I don't know what brush this is, but it's so freaking soft and it's clean. You can see that the bristles are still white. It's so clean and it's so soft. So sis need to hook me up on the brushes because I need to know. Okay, so moving on to the lips, we are lining with Chestnut Lip Liner by MAC. I'm sure everyone and their mum knows this lip liner. It's like one of the best for black girls. Always saves the day. Works with so many different skin tones. Blends in really, really well. And it stays really well as well. So she's just going to line my lips with that lip liner. I personally bring my lip liner a little bit further down to my lips, but Laura uses a different technique. She just literally lines around the perimeter of the lips. Then she's going in with a matte liquid lipstick everywhere that hasn't been filled in. And then she is just going over the line of the lip liner just to get it really precise. And then she's going to go in with a gorgeous pinky nude lip gloss. Okay, and to get the hydration back into my skin once more, we are going to spray. You can never have too much setting spray. And then she's just going to do like the finishing touches. And then it's time for the final reveal, guys. Oh my god, I was so scared, but you guys can see my reaction right now. Okay guys, so Laura's all done and we're about to see the final reveal. I'm kind of scared. Okay, let's go. Ooh, oh my gosh. Okay, I love the eyes. And you got my eyebrows right. Wow. Ooh, yes, the eyebrows are on point. On point, better than I'll do them actually. Really? Yeah. Oh, okay, girl. You guys, I was so scared to see the final look, but Laura absolutely smashed it. This look is so me. It's so close to the makeup look that I will personally do for myself. Very natural looking, very glam, and right up my alley. So let me know your thoughts on Laura's service down below. I personally think that she did an amazing job. She was clean, she was very professional, she was on time, and I love my look. Okay guys, so this is the final look. These are the eyes, my skin, my lips, contour on point, highlight on fleek, okay, eyebrows on fleek, period. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know what you think down below. I'll leave Laura's details down below as well so you can book her post-COVID. Hopefully I'll see you guys soon in another video. Bye guys.